All right. Today I got some of these Master 5s. It's the 80 series. It's an all noise kit. They've got tails and comets and whistle in the kit. I have no idea what this one is. They all just have 3 on them. So if they stay with the 80 series, like the 120s and the 100s, it's kind of the weight of the compositions inside of them. So I guess we're going to see if the Master 80 series or Master 5s kind of hold up to that naming structure. So we'll start tearing them apart here. Get the wrap off, pop the top off real quick. About an inch in there, usual. Get the fuse weight first, like always, probably 1.5 grams. 1.3, close enough. Get into the lift. All right, so just the lift is 9.8 grams, but we also have the tail in there. That's this piece that I'm gonna break off and get in there and weigh. It's most of it. There's a little bit left in there. So that's 9.8. It's 4.5 on the tail. It all adds up because it's the full composition that's inside the shell. So everything that lights on fire pretty much. All right, we'll get into the burst powder, see what we got in there. Pop out the cardboard disc like usual. This in there. No, I'll do it on this one. Bust up the clay. Don't know why it's on the scale. Doesn't matter. But here we are. Get all this clay out as much as we can without getting any of the burst, but we'll get a little. It'll be all right. All right, so this on there. The average of these shells is 166.8 after weighing them all. This one's 166.5, I think, so it's pretty close to the average. Well, the burst powder is 45.4 grams, so that's ways off. Well, it's pretty close to the CAGs. The CAGs had, I think, like 50.6. Ghostbusters burst was 70.3, so quite a bit more. We'll get all this tallied up and get right back. All right, all that added up is exactly 61 grams. So it's kind of a bit of ways off that 80 series, that 80 kind of name that's in there, like the 100s, the Master 100s. They're pretty close to 100 grams, usually over. The 120s, they're up to 120 grams total, usually over. So seem a little light on these ones. And like I said, I opened up one that was at the average of 166, so it's probably about the average. So they're light compared to the series name. So I'll do a test, just send up a couple of them after this and see where we go from there.